Eliza, guess what? My class is doing a family tree project. I brought pictures of my grandma and great-grandma.
That sounds like fun. Did you learn anything interesting?
Yeah, I saw how everyone in my family has light skin and straight blonde hair like me. Then I started thinking, your hair is curly, and your skin is darker than mine. We look so different.
We do. But different isn't wrong. It's just different.
That's true, but today at recess, someone said you and I couldn't be best friends because we don't match. It made me feel weird inside.
That's happened to me before. People sometimes think that because I look different, I don't belong. But that's not what God says.
What does God say?
In Psalm 139, it says we are fearfully and wonderfully made. That means God made you special. And He made me special too. On purpose.
So, God didn't make a mistake when He made us look different?
No way! God never makes mistakes. He made all kinds of people. All shapes, sizes, and colors.
Like a rainbow?
Exactly. A rainbow wouldn't be a rainbow if it was just one color. Our differences make the world better.
Like a box of crayons. I don't just use one color. I use all of them when I draw.
Me too. God made people like that. Every color, every shade, all part of His big, beautiful picture.
You know, I think the person who said we couldn't be friends was wrong. I like that we're different. You help me see things in a new way.
And you help me feel safe and loved. That's what real friends do.
So, we don't have to match to matter.
No, what matters is what's on the inside, like love, kindness, and joy.
And God puts all that in our hearts, no matter what color our skin is.
Right. In God's family, we all belong. God made us all, and He doesn't make mistakes.
Remember, kids, you're special just the way God made you.
And so is everyone else. So be kind, be a friend, and love like Jesus.
So, first question, who made me, Lily Ann, and Eliza so special? Keenan?
God.
Good answer.
Would it be fun if everyone in the world looked and acted the same, Jacob?
No.
What was your answer?
No.
You're right.
What are some things you love about your friends that does not have anything to do with how they look? Any volunteers? Something you love about your friends that doesn't involve the way they look. Keenan?
That they always be kind to you, and they play games with you, and they might come over your house to have fun or sleepovers.
That's a good answer.
What do you think I meant when I said that God does not make mistakes? Anybody? Keenan?
God, by what you meant by God do not make mistakes. God chooses what kind of color He wants, like your skin.
Okay, I like that answer.
All right. Bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Bye.
See you next month.
Bye.
No matter where we come from, what we look like or what challenges we face, God's love can bring us together as one family. When we follow Jesus, we learn to love like He does, with open hearts and open arms. So let's keep learning, keep loving, and keep growing together in God's big, beautiful family. At Spiritual Harvest Ministries, we are building our spirit man for Christ, one person at a time.